Chad and I are learning how to fix our furnace. Aren't we, Chad?
Yeah, we're learning all right. Learning lots about how to fix furnaces and patience.
Your hair's greasy.
We're learning a lot about patience.
We are.
Yep.
So, we think it's this thing right there, which is a vacuum pressure sensor. Vacuum sensor. So that. This one measures the pressure between the chamber in there and this motor, right? The induced air motor. Whereas this one, I don't know, measures,
This is probably
connected to
measuring.
this line down here.
This is probably measuring maybe vacuum, and this is measuring. This is positive. It's on the discharge side of the pump.
I don't know. Or,
Oh, okay.
I just
Cut
turned
out.
off.
So
Anyway,
now
we
it's
think
gonna
there's
try-
water backing up into this line, which is making that switch go off.
So see, so it should try and start again.
You should? Immediately?